So then, so what is subquery is writing a query in what another query. So one query is called inner and the other query is called outer. So which is executed first? Inner query is executed first and the output of inner query is input to outer query. But when we use subqueries, we use subqueries when where condition is based on unknown value. So when where condition is based on unknown value, then use subqueries. So the different types of subqueries, and first we started with what? Single row subquery. So how you write something like this: select what columns, next one from table name, next one where column name operator, next what? Select statement. You write like this. Okay, then select statement. You write like this. Select columns from table name where column name operator select statement. So then this is called subquery, inner query, child query. This is called main query, outer query, parent query. What should be the OP? Operator. Which operator? Relational operator. Okay, then any relational operator like greater than, less than, equal, not equal to, like that. Let's see some examples. For example, I want to see the employees earning, I want to see the employees earning more than Blake. I want to see the employees earning more than Blake. Okay, then. So I don't want to see all. I want to see employees earning more than Blake. Here salary is not given. What is given? Name is given. Salary is not given. What is given is name is given. Then select what's that? Star. Select star from EMP where salary greater than what? Salary should be greater than Blake's salary. Okay, na? Earning more than Blake means employee salary should be greater than Blake's salary. But you know Blake's salary? We don't know. Even if you don't know Blake's salary, but can't you get the Blake's salary by writing a query? Yes. So write a query to get the Blake's salary. What is the query to get Blake's salary? Select what's sal from EMP where ename equals to Blake. Ename equals to Blake. So then first, when you submit this query to SQL Server, first SQL Server execute this query. Okay, na? First SQL Server execute this query. What this query returns? This query returns what? Blake's salary. Suppose Blake's salary is, assume that Blake's salary is 2850. Okay, Blake's salary is 2850. That means this whole query is replaced with what? 2850. So first it execute this query. This query returns some value 2850. Okay. Next what it will do? It will replace this query with what? 2850. Next it executes outer query. So before executing the outer query, this inner query is replaced with 2850. Next it executes outer query. Select start from EMP. Salary greater than what? 2850. So outer query selects all the employees who are earning more than 2850. What is the 2850 is? Blake's salary. Okay, then. Okay, now just check table is there or not. Select star from EMP. Okay, so table is there. Then what it is selecting? So like see this Blake. What is the Blake's salary is 2850. Now run this query. Then what this gives? So all these employees earning more than what? Blake. Earning more than 2850. Okay. Done. So this is one example for subquery. Now, okay. Okay. Next, I want to see the employees who are senior to king. I want to see the employees who are senior to king. Okay. Then I want to see the employees who are senior to king. Who are senior to king means who are joined before king or after king. Before. Before means senior. Okay. Then select what? Select star from EMP. Where hide date what? Hide date. Employees joined before king or after king. Before king. Before means less than. After means greater than. So hide date should be less than what, sir? King hide date. So if hide date is less than king hide date means join before king. Hide date is greater than after king means join after king. So but king hide date we don't know. Then you don't know this value. When you don't know this value, then write a query. If you don't know the value, then write a query. Write a query to get the king hide date. So tell me what is the query to get king hide date? Select what? Hide date. Select hide date from EMP where ename equals to king. Then where ename equals to king. So here also, first what is executed is when you run this, always what is executed is inner query is executed. Then this is executed first. What is this returns? This returns what, sir? King hide date. What the king hide date is? 1981 November 17. Okay, na? 1981 November 17. So this is executed first. And this gives king hide date. Now outer query selects whose hide date is less than 1981 November 17. Outer query selects all the employees whose hide date is less than 1981 November 17. Now let's see. All these employees is joined in 80. 80 is less than 1981. Yes. 81 Feb. 81 less than, this is less than 81 November. Yes. So all these employees are joined before king. So they are joined before king means they are senior to king. Yes or no? So sometimes what? They don't give the value directly. So the value is what? Indirect. Salary is not given here. Name is given. Salary is not given directly. Salary is given indirectly. Salary is not given directly. Name is given. Name is given. Salary is not given here. Name is given. Salary is not given directly. Salary is not given indirectly. Salary is not given directly. Salary is not given indirectly. Salary is not given indirectly. Salary is not given directly. Salary is not given indirectly. 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 Salary is not Okay, here also, so senior to king, height date is not given, so name is given. Okay, so sometimes values given indirectly, so that case subquery is required. Then, for example, I'll ask display name of the employee earning maximum salary. Display name of the employee earning maximum salary. Name of the employee earning the maximum salary. What? Who is earning maximum salary? I want that employee name. Then what? Select what? E-name. She's asking to display the E-name. Select the E-name from EMP where what? Salary should be equals to what? Salary should be equals to maximum salary. What is this? Max of salary. Okay, salary should be equal to maximum. But if this query works, then what this gives? This gives error. There is a rule that aggregate functions are not allowed in where clause. Aggregate functions are allowed in only two clauses. One is having, another one select. So these functions are allowed in only two, select and having, not allowed in where clause. Okay. Then what? Write a query to get the maximum salary. So what is the query to get maximum salary? Select what? Max of sal from EMP. So what is executed first? This is executed first. This gives maximum salary. What the maximum salary is 5,000. So this whole thing is replaced with what? This whole thing is replaced with what? 5,000. Next outer query selects E-name from EMP where salary equals to 5,000. So outer query will select the name of the employee whose salary equals to 5,000. But what is that 5,000 is? That 5,000 is what? Maximum salary. So this gives who is earning the maximum? Employee what? King. Okay. Then. So this gives, what it just gives? This gives what? Error. Can I? No. Suppose that, for example, who is earning minimum means same thing. Instead of max, min function. Like I'll ask, you tell me this, for example, name of the employee having maximum experience. Who is having maximum experience? I want that employee name. Name of the employee having maximum experience. What? What? Select what? E-name. Select E-name from EMP where hide date. Hide date equals to. E-name from EMP where hide date is equals to what? Maximum experience. Maximum experience means join first. Join first means experience is maximum. Yes or no? Joined last means experience is minimum. So join first means hide date is what? Minimum. Hide date is minimum. Okay, na? Hide date is minimum means experience is maximum. Yes or no? Then find the employee whose hide date is minimum. Then what we have to write? select what's that? Min of hide date. Select min of hide date from EMP. Then, so you see this here. Okay. No. So suppose here, first then what is executed? You see the table. If you want, you can see the table. E name, comma, what's her hide date from EMP. You see the table. Tell me who is having maximum experience. Who is having maximum experience? Employee Smith. Employee Smith. Employee Smith is having maximum experience because he joined first. Other employees joined in 81, 82, 83. He joined in 1980. So he joined first. So his experience is maximum. Let's see then. So first, what is executed? This is executed. What this gives? Minimum. Next one. Next, outer query. Outer query executes. What is outer query returns? Name, Smith. Okay, then. For all this, what is required is subquery is required. Okay, then suppose they give the products table. They give the products table. They ask what is the most expensive product. Find the most expensive product. Then you have to write subquery. Price equal to max price. Price equal to what? Max price. So then it is most expensive product. Okay, then. No. So, for example, I'm asking display what? Second maximum salary. I want to display second maximum salary. Okay, second maximum salary. I want to show the second max salary. Top will not give. Top will give first three, first five like that. I want only second maximum salary. Then so like let's see this. First, once again, what is the logic for this? One salary is what? One salary is 1,000. Okay, one salary is something 3,000. One salary is 2,000. One salary is 1,500. One salary 5,000, like this. So these are the salaries. What I'm asking is second maximum salary. Okay, then you know how to get first maximum. You know how to get first maximum. What is max? Select max salary. That returns first maximum. But what is the logic for second maximum is then select all the salaries except maximum. Select what? All the salaries except maximum. So this is 5,000. 5,000 is maximum. Except 5,000, select all the salaries. 1,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,500. Okay, na? Then. So select all the salaries except maximum. And from this list, select what? From this list, select what, sir? Maximum. Okay, except 5,000, select all the salaries. From that list, select the maximum. What that maximum is? 3,000. What is 3,000 is second maximum. That is the logic. Then now, how to write? Once again, see this. Select what's that? From EMP table, what you have to select? Except maximum. Select all the records except maximum. How to select except to maximum? Where salary except maximum. Don't select maximum. Then either use less than or use not equal to. Use less than or not equal to. Salary less than what, sir? Select what? Maximum salary. Select maximum salary from EMP. So tell me what this gives. This gives what? Maximum. What is the maximum? 5,000. So this query returns 5,000. Now so this is whole thing is replaced with 5,000. Next outer query, it goes to the EMP table. From EMP table, what are selected? Salary less than what? 5,000. Salary less than 5,000. So outer query selects all the records salary less than 5,000. That means what is selected? 1,000 is selected. Yes. 3,000. Yes. 2,000. Yes. 1,500. Yes. So it selects all the records less than 5,000. And from this list, what do you want to select? From this list, what do you want to select? Max. Select max. Then select what's max of salary. Select max of salary. Selecting the maximum salary from the list, salary less than maximum salary. Understood now? So first this is executed, boss. This gives what? 5,000. So this whole thing is replaced with 5,000. Next SQL server goes to EMP table. From EMP table, it selects all the records less than what? 5,000. So that means all these values are selected. But from these values, what do you want to display? Maximum. So you want to select maximum. So select maximum. Then what this query gives? This query gives what, sir? Second maximum salary. This query gives second maximum salary. What is the second maximum salary is? 3,000. That's it. Okay, na? Done. Okay. So, but I don't want the second maximum salary. This is giving second maximum salary. What I'm asking is name of the employee earning second maximum salary. Name of the employee earning second max salary. So this gives second maximum salary, na? But what I want is, I want what's the name earning the second maximum salary. Then how? So that means find the name whose salary equal to this. Salary must be equal to this. What this gives? Second maximum salary. So find the employee whose salary equal to this. Okay. Then how to write? Select what's the E name from EMP where salary equal to what? Salary equal to second maximum salary. Yes or no? Salary equal to second maximum salary. Okay. Then, but you already, you know the query. You know the query to get second maximum salary. What this is? This is a query that gives second maximum salary. So write that query here. This query gives second maximum, na? Write that query here. Then what? This one. Now, then from EMP, next, where salary less than this. Sir, okay? Now, so what is this is? This is nesting more than one level. This is what? Nesting more than one level. If you see the previous example, you're nesting one level, but this is more than one level. So this is level 1, level 2 like this. So which is executed first? This is executed first. What is this gives? Maximum. What is the maximum? 5,000. And this is executed next. What this gives? Second maximum. What is the second maximum? 3,000. So second maximum, 3,000. What is executed next? Name of the employee's salary equals to 3,000. Name of the employee's salary equal to 3,000. What is the 3,000? 3,000 is what? Second maximum. Yes or no? Then. So, like this, you can write multiple levels. Now, so then. So this gives second maximum boss, but what user is asking? User is asking what? Name, no? He is not asking salary. He is asking name. Who is earning this 3,000? He wanted that name. Select what? E-name from EMP. Next one, where what? Salary equals to this salary equal to the second maximum salary. Okay, then. So select from EMP where salary equals to second maximum salary. That's it. So first, one second. First, this is executed first. You can check one by one. 5,000. This is executed next. This is executed next. This returns what? Second maximum. 3,000. Final. This is executed next. What is this returns? Name. Who is ending second maximum? Start and fourth. Okay, like that. So the queries can be nested more than one level. Okay, then. Okay, now. So if you see these examples, but in all these examples, where you return subquery, you return subquery in where class select statement. But not only in select statement, you can write subqueries in update command. You can write subqueries in delete command. So wherever you want, you can write subqueries. You can write subqueries in update command, delete command, wherever you want, you can write. So then, so here, what is the point here? Then outer query can be, okay, then outer query can be select what, insert, update, delete. But inner query must be what? Inner query must be always what? Select. Outer query can be select, insert, update, delete, but inner query must be always select. Okay, na? Then outer query can be select, insert, update, delete, but inner query must be always what's select. So that's then clear now. Let's see once again. Suppose here, for example, see, I want to update. Okay, na? I want to what's it? Update. So previous one we are displaying. Okay, na? Then suppose otherwise I want to delete. Like I'll ask delete the employee. For example, delete employee having maximum experience. Having what? Maximum experience. Delete the employee having maximum experience. Then, so who is having maximum experience? I don't want to display. I want to delete. Then, so what is the query? Delete query. Delete from what? EMP where what? Hide date. Hide date equals to minimum hide date. Hide date equals to what? Minimum hide date. So select min of hide date from EMP. In the previous example, you are displaying, but not only displaying, you can also delete. You can write subqueries in any command. You can write subqueries in select, subqueries in insert, subqueries in update, subqueries in delete. So wherever you want, you can write subqueries. Understood? Then, so this gives what? Let's see, one row affected, one row deleted. Okay. No. So this is, you're writing the subquery delete command. Next, you can also write it in update command. Like suppose increment employee salaries by increment salaries by 10%. So those working at Newark location. Increment salaries by 10%. Those working at what? Newark location. Salaries by 10%. Those working at Newark location. Oh. What? Update. Update EMP what? Set salary. Set salary equals to salary should be incremented by 10%, 0.1. Next one, where what? Where location equals to no. That's all here. When you're writing the queries, you have to check is location is there in EMP table. The location is there in EMP table. No, location is not there in EMP table. What is there in EMP table? Location. What is this location? This location belongs to department location. But in employee table, what is there? Department number is there. Department number is there. But here, condition based on what? Location. Location is not there in EMP table. Location is there in department table. Then how to get the location? Join. Okay, na? How to get the location? So then, but your condition, you cannot write the condition based on location. You have to write the condition based on what's the department number. So department number should be equals to what? Department number should be equals to Newark department number. Department number should be equals to what? Newark department number. How to get the Newark department number? So where this department like selects are from what? Selects are from what's that? Department. So then selects are from department. Department table is not there. Okay. Then once again. Then. Just let me create this numeric. Numeric. Then create the table. Oh, create this table. Next, what? So then now create the table. So table is what? Created. After creating the table, then next. Now see this. Now see the table. Select star from what department? Select star from DEPT. Then what? So like department number should be equals to New York department number. So what is the New York department number? 10. Yes or no? Then how to get the New York department number? New York department number is there in department table. Yes or no? Select what? Select department number. Select department number from. Select department number from department. Next one. Where what? Location equals to New York. Where location equals to New York. So select department number from DPT where location equal to New York. What is this gives? What this gives? New York department number. What is the New York department number? 10. That means this whole thing is replaced with what? 10. And what is the outer query will? Outer query will increment the employees' salaries working for 10th department. All 10th department employees' salaries are incremented by 10%. But what the 10th department is? 10th department is what, sir? New York department. So here in this example, we are writing the subquery in what? We are writing the subquery in what, sir? Update command. So, okay, wherever you want, you can write subquery. Now let's see here, execute this. What it is saying? 3 rows affected. So there are 3 employees' salaries are incremented by 10%. Okay, then. So wherever you want, you can write. You can write subqueries. Okay. Okay then. Next. Okay, na? That. But if you see this example, in all these examples, the subquery is what? In all these examples, subqueries are what? Single row. Because this subquery returns how many values? This returns how many values? One value. This returns how many values? One value. One department number. So this returns, all these subqueries returns how many values? One value. So these type of subqueries are called what? Single row subqueries. Next one is there. What is that is? Multi-row. Multi-row. Then multi-row subqueries. If subquery returns more than one value, then it is called multi-row subquery. Okay. If subquery returns more than one value, then it is called multi-row subquery. Now, how to use this? Same like single row only, but what is the difference? Where here also column name operator select statement. Column name operator select statement. Here, what is OP? Okay, then can we use greater than, less than operators? Here, this query returns how many values? This query returns how many values? Multiple. When this query returns multiple, can we use equal to, greater than, less than? Equal to can be used to compare with multiple values? No? Can we use equal to compare with multiple values? No. Can we use equal to compare with, can we use greater than to compare with multiple? No. So all these operators are used to compare with how many? Single. Okay. All relational operators used to compare with single. But here multiple. When multiple values are there, which operators we use? Which operators we use? OP must be what? In. In. Next one. Not in. Next. Any. All. OP must be in, not in, any, all. So you have to use any of this. In, not in, any, all. Okay. So if we return single value, okay, operator must be greater than, less than, equal. If this returns multiple values, operator must be in, not in, any, all. Because all these operators are used to compare with what? Multiple values. Okay. Then single value comparison, equal, greater than, less than. Multi-value comparison, in, not in, any, all. Okay. Then. So, for example, just I want to, like, just now we written, suppose display, I want to see the employees working at what's the New York, comma. Okay. I want to see the department table. I want to see the department table. Then let's see here. Then so suppose, for example, I want to see the employees working at what? New York, comma, Chicago locations. New York, comma, Chicago locations. Okay. Then I want to see the employees who are working at New York, comma, Chicago locations. Then select what? Select star. Okay. Select star. Then from EMP, where location is given, boss. What is given to you? Location is given. But in employee table, location is not there. What is there in employee table? Department number is there. So then where department number equals to, then so New York, comma, Chicago department numbers. Department number equals to, then what? Get the New York and Chicago department numbers. How to get? Select what? Department number. Department number. Sir, in outer query, you are comparing with department number now. Inner query also should return department number. In outer query, you are comparing department number. Inner query must return department number. If inner query returns location, this will not work. Then department number from DEPT. Next one, where what? Location. Location in what? Location in New York, comma, Chicago. Okay. Then so then what is executed first? What is executed first? Inner query. Inner query is executed first. Okay. inner query is executed first. So inner query is executed first. What is this inner query returns? Inner query returns what, sir? New York and Chicago department numbers. Maybe New York department number is 10, Chicago department number is what? 30. So inner query returns two values. Okay, na? Now what? Outer query. Now outer query. Select star from EMP department number equals to 10, 30. This whole thing is replaced with two values, 10, 30. Now outer query. Select star from EMP department number equals to 10, 30. So can we use equal to operator to compare 10, 30? No. If we use the equal to operator, then it gives what error? Na? Equal to is used to compare with single value, but here inner query returns how many values? Two values. Inner query returns two values. You cannot use equal to operator to compare two values. Which operator you have to use? In operator. You have to use in operator. If you use equal to, then it gives error. What it is saying? Subquery returns what, sir? More than one value. Subquery return one more than one value. So when subquery returns more than one value, you cannot use equal to. You must use what? In. And then use in. Let me run this. Okay, na? Let me run this. Now, what this gives? This gives what, sir? All the employees what belongs to what, sir? New York and what? Chicago departments. That's all. So you have to use in operator here. That's all. Only is that small difference. Here inner query returns single value. Use equal, greater than, less than. Inner query returns multiple. Use in, not in. Only what changes is operator changes. Okay, na? Then. Next. But you know in, not in. Okay. But what is any all? There are two more. What are the two more? Any and all. Okay. What is this any and all? Okay, na? Then suppose if you take any operator, any operator, then any. So then this is used for like what? Okay. So use it for greater than, less than, greater than, less than. Use it for greater than, less than, comparison with multiple values. Use it for greater than, less than, comparison with multiple. Okay. Sir, equal to comparison with multiple. Then equal to comparison with multiple values. Which one you use? Equal to comparison with multiple. Then in operator. So department number equals to 10, 30. Department number equals to 10, 30. Actually equals to 10, 30. But I cannot use equal to because this returns multiple. So that's I must use in. Equal to comparison with multiple. Which operator? In operator. Greater than, less than, comparison with multiple. Then any all. Greater than, less than, comparison with multiple. Then any all. Sir, okay na? So equal to comparison with multiple in, greater than less than comparison with multiple. Then use any or. Okay. Then so like here, suppose once again, I write a condition like this where x greater than any, suppose 1000, 2000, 3000. Like I'm giving something like this. Now multiple values. Yes or no? Now greater than comparison with multiple values, you must use what? Any. So when this condition will be true, this condition will be true if x value is greater than any. This condition will be true if x value is greater than any. Okay, na? This condition will be true if x value is greater than any. Then what? Tell me what? Like suppose x equals to 800, then x equal to 800, then what condition? What's that? False. X equals to x value. Suppose x value is what? X value is 1600. Sorry, 1500. Then 1500. 1500 is greater than any. 1500 is greater than any. Yes, any means at least one. Any means at least one. So is 1500 is greater than any? Yes, it is greater than what's that? 1000. And then condition what's that? True. X value is 4500. 4500. Is 4500 is greater than any? Yes. So condition true. X value is 800. Condition false. X value 1500. True. 4500. True. Okay. Then suppose, for example, I write like this where x less than any. X less than any. 1000, 2000, 3000. Then so what? X equals to 800. Then x equal to 800. 800 is less than, yes, it is less than all the values. True. X value is 1500. X value is 1500. Condition what's that? True. X value is 4500. 4500. 4500 is less than any? No, it's not less than any. Then what? False. Okay. Now so greater than any means x value must be greater than at least one value. Less than any means x value must be less than any must be less than any. Any means at least one. So then like that there is one more. What is that is? All is there. All is also what? User to user. What is this is? User for what's it? User for greater than, less than what? Comparison with what's it? User for greater than, less than comparison with what? Multiple values. Greater than, less than comparison with multiple values. Then what is where? What? Where x greater than all 1000, 2000, 3000. What is the meaning? X value must be greater than all the values. Any means at least one. All means all the values. So x equals to, let's say if x Okay, then so like what I want is I want to see employees earning more than what's her all managers. So salary must be greater than all the managers. Now let's see here what this query gives. This query gives what's her Then what this query gives? This query gives what? Manager salaries. Then DB10. What this query gives? This query gives what, sir? Manager salaries. So how many managers are there? 3 managers. One manager salary is 2975. One manager is 2850. One is 2695. So there are 3 managers. Now what do you want? I want to find out employees who are earning more than these 3 managers. That means employee salary should be greater than all the 3 values or any one. All the 3 values. The salary must be greater than all the 3. If salary is greater than all the 3 means they are earning more than all the managers. Yes or no? Then what we have to write? So then what we have to write? Like you have to write something like this. What do you want? You want to see the employees. Select star from EMP where salary must be greater than. Salary must be greater than what, sir? All. Salary must be greater than all. So that because you want to find out who are earning more than all the managers. Okay. Then so first what is executed first? Inner query is executed. So inner query returns how many values? 3 values. 2928 2695. Then outer query, it goes to the EMP table, go to 1 by 1 record, check salary is greater than these 3 values are not. Okay. So it go to the first one. So it go to the first record. So this is the table. It go to the first record. What is the salary? What is the salary? 1600. 1600 is greater than all the 3 values. 2975, 2850, 2695. No. 1250 is greater than? No. 2975 is greater than? No. Next one. 3000 is greater than all the 3 values? Yes. 5000 is greater than all the 3 values? Yes. So how many are there? There are 3 who are earning more than all the managers. So there are 3 employees. 3000, 5500, 3000. Understood? Okay, na? Then. So first, this is executed first. This query gives what, sir? Manager salaries. Outer query selects employees who are earning more than all managers. There are 3 managers. Understood, na? Then. No. So if I ask you, like, who are earning at least 1 manager, then suppose if I ask you employees earning more than at least 1 manager, then at least 1 manager. At least means any. At least 1 manager. Any. You have to say any. Okay. Now, that's how. This is how to use any okay, na? This is multi-row subqueries. All these examples are what? Multi-row subqueries. Okay. Right. Okay, then what the next one is correlated. So we'll see that in the next class.